This video is only for education and information purpose. Don't purchase any product without making proper research. Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review a brand new product. Product name is Automotive Oil Filming Cleaning Brush. Okay, so is this product really worthy for you or not, and what are the problems of this product? So in this video we will cover each and every information. So let's get started. First of all, my dear friends, I want to tell you like one thing only, that is you can see on your screen. This product is easily available in India also, okay, and the pricing of the product is less than, you can say, $3 to $4 only, okay. So when you purchase this product in your country, like I definitely know, maybe you are seeing this video in United States or any other country, the costing of the product is like a little bit high. It's not a big deal. And if we are going to talking about like this product, you can see the rating of the product is not too good on amazon.com, okay. And if we are going to talking about like in India, the you can say the reviews is also not too good. It means the product is not worthy at all. So they are showing like it is very effective glass cleaning, you can say, brush and all. When you are trying to use this product, you are not going to get good results, okay. So the best thing what you can do, you can avoid the product, otherwise you are going to regret, and you are going to regret after purchasing the product, like why you have purchased this kind of product. Now come to the another point. I want to inform you, like, don't purchase this kind of product on any unofficial website, because on unofficial website in today's time, like they are promoting this kind of product in a huge, you can say, aggressive way. And when you purchase these kind of products on Amazon, or you can say, sorry, on unofficial websites, and the product will deliver you and the product will not work for you, and when you want to return, you cannot return these kind of products, okay. So the best thing what you can do, you can avoid the product. This is only a drop shipping product and this is not a worthy at all. In India, you can also see the costing is very less, only $3 to $4 only. So I want to inform you only this thing, like this is totally a shit, or this is totally a waste of money product, okay. So this is my information for you. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do, okay. So thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. If you have already purchased this, you can share your experience in our comment section, and your comment will helpful for lots of people, okay friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.